change the words with short vowels to long vowels. Here are some short vowel sounds. Practice saying these words. Add E to these words and say the words. Short A, I, U and U changes to long A, I, O and U when you add E at the end of the words. Cap, cape. Pan, pain. Tap, tape. Hid, hide. Fin, fine. Pin, pine. Can, cane. Rat, rate. Hope, hope. Kit, kite. Red, ride. Cub, cube. B. Draw and color the following: a tub, a tube,
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.